Today is another rainy Saturday, so we are making Claypot chicken rice, and the soup is already boiling, chicken soup, and we're going to make stir fry bok choy. So I'm going to show how to make the Claypot chicken rice, our version. Come, let's see how to do it. I have a cold chicken washed and marinated with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Marinate for about 20 minutes. 4 cups of rice, wash and keep it aside. Then you will need salted fish, dried mushrooms. I boiled this mushroom for about, I actually microwave for about 5 minutes. So now these are the other ingredients that you need. 2 big onions, and you need a lot of gingers, pepper, Szechuan peppercorn, and Chinese spice, green chili, red chili, screw pine leaf, onion leaves. Now for the sauce, you will need special cooking wine. This is Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have, you can substitute with vinegar, light soya sauce, thick soya sauce, seed oil, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and sugar. So this measurement, I will tell you now what are the measurements that you need for the sauce. Come, let's see how to make it now. For the sauce, you need half cup of oyster sauce, half cup of dark soya sauce, one tablespoon of cooking wine, one tablespoon of seed oil, and 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. And 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. And 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it well. Szechuan peppercorns, okay. Now we're going to add in ginger. This is about 4 inches of ginger, because we are not using ginger garlic paste here. So to take away any smell from the chicken, you need more ginger. Put in the chicken. Stir the chicken, let it fry. Now let it fry for a while and cook a little in the oil. Now add in the onions. This is the sauce. Just now the mixture. I'm going to add a dash of pepper. If you like it a bit spicy, you can put more. And a dash of spice, Chinese spice. Once the onion cooked already, little while, and I'm going to add in the sauce and let it come to a boil. Now it's boiling. This is the time to add in the rice. The mushroom. And the screw pine leaf. And give it a stir. Okay, now friends, I already transferred the pot into the rice cooker. At this point, add 3 cups of hot water and give it a stir again. Nice quick stir. This is our style of making Claypot chicken rice. Claypot chicken rice is also one of the famous Penang dish. So if you want to try it in the house, you can do it this way. Okay, now I'm going to use a foil paper and cover the rice cooker. My rice cooker, I have this. If you don't have, you can also do this like this. Okay viewers, now the rice is ready. I cook for about 20 minutes. Then I let it keep warm for about 15 minutes. So now you can see rice is ready. And we're going to garnish onion leaves, green chili and red chili. And you can serve with salted fish fry, some sambal belacan, eggs, fried eggs, and the lunch is ready. Enjoy, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Penang Family Channel. Thank you.